Today we have a little rewiring fun. I added an LED bulb here, 12 volt here, and this black wire, black and white striped, is coming across where the other one is, which is the orange and white up here from the other wind. So I soldered that on in here, and you can see it soldered on to this plus lug, and then also to that minus lug. Can you see that? Maybe not from there. This minus lug in the bottom. I just traced back where the orange wire went. Now, to power, I decided since I'm using 12 volt bulbs, I'll just use the 20 volt DC after the bridge. This is the bridge in the J box. Notice it's marked minus and plus. I took the minus and plus power there and put it to these lugs that are normally marked for 10 volt, because it's usually a separate transformer tap and they take it off AC. So there we go. I'm going to give it a try now. Okay, I had to fix the wiring. I had wired across the wrong orange wire. I want to wire in parallel across these that go to the jackpot bulb, or else what I ended up doing was wiring across the other side of the switch, made my center bulb on all the time, which isn't what I was intending. So I moved the other wire out here, outside of the box now, and I left the plus and minus that I mentioned before. It goes off the bridge, so that makes DC about 20 volts. And then the plus comes over to the plus lug front, and then the minus is also connected to the minus lug in the front. And then we have this other leg for the secondary bulb in parallel to the King jackpot light. Once again, I had that problem with the fuses being kind of bad contact, so I'll spin them, maybe sand them. Okay, sand, gotta hook into there, then hook into the plus. Should have about 20 volts coming off the top, and we can see if I close this switch. Uh-oh, not working again. There we go, trying again. See, that's lighting. It's lighting. That's lighting. Seems to be this upper fuse is a little bit problematic. Okay, so this is a J box, the normal roughly 20 volts DC coming out here, but paralleled across, so this is now 20 volts also. So my light bulbs are 12 volt LEDs running off nominal 20. Here we are with a piece of glass now. I do like the sound of glass better than plastic. Ooh, look at that. Little nail adjust. I think this arm right here, the pivot point, is sticking. because as I do this, the balls seem to be a little slow getting fed by that one. See there? It's slow in pivoting at the white, this white thing, so then it doesn't feed. So I'm going to clean that pivot point. Now the shooter's working. Hit on yourself. Woo! Give it a little kick. What happened?